I want to talk about a few new features in the inventory screen. So, here's all our features. We have our maps, our secure. We'll get back to that. Migrate and optimize. I think most of you guys should be pretty familiar with the inventory screen. This is kind of a lightweight CMDB all on its own. We have, all of our, assets here. A couple of new things that we've added. One really cool new feature is down here at the bottom, and that is manually added servers. And I say this is really cool. This is really great for truly hybrid environments. So, and by truly hybrid, I mean one that will includes physical servers and on-prem virtualization and cloud virtualization. So previously with physical servers, we get the net flow data from your physical switches and we map the physical environment that way. And that's great. We're able to map all your physical servers, but they weren't being inventoried. Now you can actually add your physical servers or any server in manually in the inventory, put its IP address. So not only is it can be mapped, we can also now inventory your physical environment very easily. So that's a cool new one. The kind of the big push, and something I mentioned in the slides, was user discovery. So we've changed a little bit when it comes to user discovery. We still are operating the way we always have, which is an LDAP user to discover all our users, and then a user in the event log readers group to get all of the login information to see when and where the users have been logging in. That still continues. We have added another functionality, and that is with an event log. We call it the event log forwarder service. It's basically an MSI, a service that you'd install in your domain controller that would directly forward us the event log traffic over encrypted UDP, which is the most secure way to transfer that information. There's no connection to hijack in UDP, encrypted UDP. So we would get all that event log information along with DNS information and be able to populate that way. Also eliminates the need for a Windows proxy. So with that, kind of a new functionality, a new feature that we've added is this recently detected changes. So with login discovery, we can always see where your users are logging in, what servers they're accessing, but now we also have visibility into the Active Directory. So what are my users doing inside Active Directory? Are they being deleted? Are they being added to groups, removed from groups? Just giving you another added layer of visibility, another added layer of control to your environment. And just quickly, we've added a new storage monitoring as well. We can now see the storage space. These are our VMware data stores, and we can see how full they are, the VMs that reside on them. Again, just trying to add more and more visibility that we can. And then a fun little free IP finder that uses no scanning. We're the only ones I know of that do not scan to find IPs. We use a little bit of logic. If we know all the IP addresses that are communicating, a little bit of math will tell us the ones that aren't, and we can just find a subnet and do a search, and it will find us all the free IPs in that subnet without scanning.